Hi, I'm Noor from English Planet with Noor. How are you today? Today we're going to talk about new topic, which is the school tools. Kids, what's inside your bag? What's inside your school bag? Let's see. I have my notebook. I have my notebook inside my school bag. What else? I have my pencil case. I have my pencil case. Excellent. What's inside my pencil case? What's this? What's this? It's a pencil. And what's the color of my pencil? Pink. Very good. I use my pencil to write down short notes, to write ABCs or 1, 2, 3, something like that. What else? I have an eraser. I have an eraser. I use my eraser to erase the words and write it down. I use my eraser to erase the letter and write it down again. What's this? It's a sharpener. It's a sharpener. I use my sharpener to sharpen my pencil. What's the color of my sharpener? Yes, it's green. I have a ruler to measure or to draw some lines. Very good. What's the color of my ruler? It's green. What's this? It's ruler. It's a ruler. I use my ruler to measure and draw some lines in my notebook. I have my red pen. The red pen is for the teachers to check out the kids' answers. If you write ABCs just right, you will take a star and happy face with my red pen. What else? What's this pen? What's the color of this pen? Excellent. It's green. It's green pen. Very good. What's the color of this pen? It's black. What's this? It's my pencil case. Okay, let's put the pencil inside my pencil case. What's the color of my pencil? It's pink. Let's put the pink pencil inside my pencil case. What's this? It's an eraser. What's the color of our eraser? Black. Let's put the black eraser into the pencil case. What's this? It's a red pen and it's used by the teachers. It's a red pen and we use it to write down and check the answers of the kids. Let's put my red pen into the pencil case. What's this? It's a ruler. What's the color of my ruler? It's green. I can use my ruler to draw lines and measure. So now it's time for putting my ruler into my pencil case. What's this? It's a sharpener. What's the color of my sharpener? Yes, excellent. I use my sharpener to sharpen the pencil. Let's put the sharpener inside the pencil case. What's the color of my pen? It's green. Let's put the green pen inside the pencil case. What's the color of this pen? It's black. It's black. Let's put the black pen into the pencil case. What's the color of this pen? What's the color of this pen? Yes, very good. It's blue. It's dark blue or indigo. Let's put my blue pen into my pencil case. And now my pencil case is open. Let's close it. Close your pencil case and put your pencil case inside your school bag. This is the end of my episode today. If you really like it and you make use of it, just thumbs the video up and don't forget to subscribe the button and turn on the little notification bell. Bye.